On the record in two cases. First case is cause number 315911. The second case is cause number 323581. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Haley Guidry. Ms. Guidry, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Guidry, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Guidry, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Ms. Guidry?
I'm fine.
That's good, Ms. Guidry. Your case is on the court's announcement docket, and you're here with your attorney, Mr. Mark Fager. Mr. Fager, do you have an announcement for the court?
Well, Your Honor, on the first case, this is 315911. That is the case that many months ago I was requested authority for the expenditure to hire a cell phone forensic expert. We have sent the information to the court. We had originally proposed Lance Slows out of Dallas, who is a renowned expert in phone forensics, and the court was concerned about his fees. We subsequently filed a motion and informed the court we have an Eric Devlin, who is director of Lone Star Forensic Group in Houston, and he charges $100 an hour in court appointed cases. And we would ask the court, we feel that she did not make the phone call that she's accused of. The phone call was made to her, and the cell phone screenshots of that day show it, and she's been charged. They're saying she's lying about this phone call, and she's not. And I need the expert to go ahead. If the district attorney's office and state's not going to accept the screenshot on the phone call, I need to get Mr. Devlin involved to prove that the call came in like she said it did, Your Honor, and not out from her. And I would ask, I filed the motion several months ago. I think all of it's been kind of stalled by COVID, but Mr. Devlin is very renowned. He's very qualified and capable. And I'd ask you for the right to hire him and pay his fees, and so we can get this case, I guess, tried.
Okay, do you have his information? When you filed, did you have that information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Provided to the court?
We actually e-filed it the other day for you. Unfortunately, my Judge Woods originally had this case. It was e-filed in the correct case, but it was sent to Judge Woods via e-file, or it was e-filed, but we provided y'all with a copy. Mr. Devlin's $100 an hour, which is really reasonable for a person of his expertise.
Okay, you said you already e-filed it?
It's just been e-filed.
Okay, I'll take a look at it.
And we'd ask that you grant that order to allow us to hire a forensic examiner on the cell phone, and then once we get his report, we should be ready for trial.
Okay. Mr. Shearer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, what we're gonna do, well, right now you're not announcing trial, you want us to keep it on the announcement docket?
Right,
Mr.
we don't want to get the expert report.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset the case, take a look at the materials that he has filed and provided to the court.
Okay, Your Honor, state would like to see this on the trial docket. If it comes up for trial and we have to reset, that would be a thing since we're waiting on this forensic evidence, but this really more appropriately should be on the trial docket.
But I don't think are you ready to announce
No,
trial?
I want to see what my guy says, and it's going to end up on the trial docket. But I want the trial to be set up.
Let me do this here. What we're gonna do, let's put it on the pretrial docket.
Okay.
Take it off the announcement docket, put it on the pretrial docket. Okay, give him a pretrial date, and then at that time, we'll revisit it again, and then it probably go to the trial docket. Okay?
That'll work, and then on the other one, that's a case that we can probably resolve when we get finished with the other one. And she's already done time served. I think it's a failure to ID case. She's already done about 5 days in jail. So
okay, so you're anticipating a plea on that one. Okay, okay. Well, just get your reset, and you and your client will be free to go. Be reset pre-trial docket.
Okay, Mr. Faggart, Angel Arroyo is now here also.
He called and said he was on the way. Okay, thank you.
Peppo, would you please call column Nix, that's Mr. James Macon's case?